Hey beautiful, welcome to part 2 of the beauty room, decluttering, rearranging my beauty room. So in part 1, you guys seen me take everything out of the beauty room, clean up all this confetti that babe popped in one of my lives. Boom, the room was clean. My beautiful baby was helping me. She was exhausted and I was super excited. This is what babe gifted me, and I still had a lot of makeup that we still needed to go through, you guys, in part 1. So now we're continuing it in part 2. My baby's helping me, and that's where we're at right now. So right here is the makeup giveaway box that I got going on. I'm still adding to it, but it is pretty good. Full with a bunch of goodies: Luxie, Derma E, Too Faced, L'Oreal, Physician Formula, NYX, all that good stuff. Then I got my foundation bin that I still got to go through, but there is some good stuff. Ardell, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, Too Faced, like I said, Smashbox concealers. So yeah, make sure your notifications are on. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you're subscribed. Leave a comment and a way for me to get a hold of you. And that is all. So I put my acrylic containers on top of the shelf, but I'm not completely sure that's how I'm going to leave it. You guys let me know if it is good, is it not? So now we're moving on to the shelf. I will be putting all my palettes right here in the shelf. So I'm trying to just kind of see what works. I'm putting some Anastasia in here. I'm putting some of the Sephora palettes in here. Alamar, Alter Ego, Swamp from Tarte. Then I got my Tarte shelf right here. So I'm just kind of organizing it, trying to by brand, but I'm trying just to get all of the palettes on the shelf. And then I'm going to go in and kind of like, you know, rearrange things, all that stuff. Because like over here, I had some Kat Von D, then I had some Morphe, then, you know, some Dose of Colors. But then as I'm going through all the palettes, I'm going to be pulling from here, pulling from there. But I thought this was a really nice idea. I wanted to just do all high-end, maybe one shelf, then drugstore another shelf. But I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I didn't know how or what. I don't know. I'm just honestly just trying to see what works, what doesn't, moving things around, trying to make it go by like trying to level out the palettes, not just trying to like just shove any palettes in there. You know, I'm just trying to make it work, make it look cute, make it look eye-catching and, you know, very eye-pleasing. So when you guys are watching the videos, you guys are like, oh, okay, that looks nice. So here is this section right here, completed, all done. I'm actually very, very proud of it. It looks really nice, really cute. And yeah, so now I'm gonna move on to the other shelves, and I just do this throughout the whole thing. The only thing I didn't do was like the bottom shelf because I ran out of palettes. So that's a good thing, right? So over here, that's all the Juvia's palettes right there. I try to do all the ColourPop together. And over here is going to be all my little mini ones so that you guys can see the YouTube plaque. So I got all the Fenty, Urban Decay right there. Then I got some Too Faced, some Smashbox, Dose of Colors. And then over here we got the Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I got some Too Faced, JCat Beauty, Milani, Physician Formula, Tati Beauty, Morphe, LA Girl, and Physician Formula. So you see how you guys see some of the Too Faced in there? We're going to fix that later. So now I got all my Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I got my ColourPop palettes, my Shane Dawson, Game of Thrones from Urban Decay, and then I got my Morphe palettes. So this is how it looks. I love how it came out. And then down here is like PR that I haven't played with yet, things I haven't opened, Juvia's Place foundation sticks, L'Oreal lippies, Urban Decay blushes, Game of Thrones. And then on the bottom, I don't know what to do with the bottom just yet. So help your girl out. Let me know. I really like how the way it looks though. It looks so nice, right? Cute eyeshadow bookshelf. I love it. I like how it looks. I think it looks really, 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 really cute. And then here are all my plastic palettes in my drawer. I didn't know what to do with those. You know, I don't want to display those ones because it's the plastic ones. And then here is just me showing you guys me adding to the makeup giveaway box. So over here, I'm trying to just take things out of the packaging to see like, okay, maybe I can take these out and see how they look if I just put them in. But these are oddly shaped, so it didn't look cool, you know, putting them in there. This one I did take out of the package and it looked a lot prettier because it had glitter packaging. So I'm just moving things around, trying to see what fits, what works. These obviously are not going to look cute because they're circle. It's just going to throw everything off. So I'm just going to take it out of the packaging and just put it in the drawer. But I wanted to show you guys how it would look if I just put it in there. Like, you see, looks weird, right? So yeah, so some of the things I left in the packaging and some of them I didn't. So I'm just going around, moving things around. I got some of my Ofra palettes and I'm just trying to fix them in there, move things around, like I keep saying, just to see what works, what doesn't, and what needs to be taken out, what doesn't. Here's one of my drawers that I completed though. I want to show you guys my Koki eyeshadows and my Makeup Shack eyeshadows. I don't know why I'm saying like that. So taking a little bit break, Babe did some planter boxes because I told him I wanted a garden, so Babe went all out. That looks really cool. Look at that.
Still needs like watermelon and the melones and the cantaloupe, honeydew and all those stuff.
So already built those all by himself. That's so cool. And Elijah. And Andrew. They were so mad I didn't give them credit in the TikTok. Okay, what did you guys do?
We had to take all the nails out.
And then we had to like sit on the thing that could cut it. We had to lift the planter boxes. That thing was heavy over there. It's a manure.
Hey loves, so I still, ooh, that jiggled. Okay loves, so since I'm doing the whole decluttering and everything, all that good stuff, I got my Boxycharm delivered. So I thought it'd be really fun to do the unboxing and then I can just like put everything away, you know what I mean? So in this month, what's this month, May? Oh my gosh. In this month I have Giovanni's birthday, it's my brother's birthday, it's my mother's birthday, it's Noah's birthday. Yeah, lots of birthdays, lots of birthdays. If it's your birthday this month, let me know down below. So this box was gifted to me by Boxycharm. I didn't have the card that comes in here that tells you like how much everything is and all that good stuff, so I will put it here after. So this is the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. ELEMIS is really good. So I can't wait to try this out. It says skin smoothing pads. A ver, let's try. Well, not try, let's see what we have in here. Oh, that smells really good, you guys. Oh, okay. I can't wait to put this to use on my face. Next thing in here we have is the Tarte Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Ooh, this is a full size makeup remover and cleanser. I hear so many people raving about this and that it's so amazing. So I can't wait to try. A little bit spilled, so I'm going. Use this mess-free, no rinse micellar cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Saturate a cotton pad and apply to skin on the go. After a gym sesh or to remove that full face of makeup you worked so hard on. This baby cleanses without stripping your skin or making a mess in your sink. Ooh, okay. Sample, not for sale. I love how they have that in the back. So this is awesome. Look how pretty it looks. I can't wait to use, and I love that it has just like the cotton pad just love that. Next in here we have the Pretty Vulgar. This is the eyeshadow primer. I can't wait to try this out. I love Pretty Vulgar products and I cannot wait to see how well this applies. I wonder if it's like a clear base, a pigmented base. Oh, it's a nude base. All right, we'll see. I kind of like using a base that has more kind of like a it gives me pigment, like a concealer, you know. So we'll see how this goes. We'll see. Smells pretty, right? We'll see. Next in here we have is a liquid eyeliner. Ooh, demi matte liquid eyeliner, and this is in Whiskey. Ooh, okay. I can't wait to try that out. Look at that. Then last but not least, we have the Appeal Liquid Lipstick. Sugar and spice and everything nice. Just kidding. It says sugar and spice. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. A really pretty brown lip. A or pink lip. I already know what I'm gonna do. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm, you guys. I was expecting like maybe an eyeshadow palette, but I did get hooked up with the ELEMIS skin, was it what, the skin smoothing pad. So I'll take skincare, a really expensive skincare, over eyeshadow any day, all day, every day. So that was what was in my Boxycharm for the month of May. Let me know down below what you guys got, if you guys received Boxycharm. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. You do not have to use it, but if you use it, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And let me know what you guys thought, what you guys think of the box. There wasn't a product where I'm like, I wish we wouldn't have gotten that, because Pretty Vulgar is a really, really good brand. Tarte is a really good brand. ELEMIS is really good. I got a liquid lippy and I got a liquid eyeliner. So it was pretty good to me. I'm like, okay, you know what? Yeah. And skincare, I'm still excited about this. The ELEMIS skincare, I'm super stoked about that. And we know we get lots of palettes in the beauty subscription, so it's pretty nice to like switch it up and see, you know, what else. You know, it wasn't a disappointment. That's what I'm trying to say. It wasn't a disappointment, so I'm really glad. So I can't wait to try out that stuff. This is leaking a little bit. I'm gonna have to clean it up. Very excited. I still have so much to do in this beauty room, you guys. Ooh, so much. Like, oh my gosh, so much stuff. I did finally organize my, let's see, my foundations. I still have more foundations. I have a whole bin of foundations for you guys, but I finally organized the Too Faced foundations. So leave a comment down below. Make sure you like, you're subscribed, your notifications are on, and a way for me to contact you, and that is all. So I will be gifting you guys lots of makeup, because you guys do so much for me. So yeah, I still got lots to do. I think this is gonna be like maybe a 3-4 part, because there's so much to go through. It's crazy. I thought it was gonna be easy. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's getting a little bit easier. And I like this whole display that I got going on. Let me know what you guys think, if I should like do something a little bit different. I'm trying to put it together of like, so this is all Too Faced. I know I have some Too Faced here because it didn't fit up there. And then I have the little Too Faced over here because again, it didn't fit up there. And I wanted to put this one over here, but I couldn't fit it in there. And then I have all of Kat Von D right here. I have like my big packaging here, and I have the Jeffree Star here. So it's like 4 Jeffree Star in a row. Then we have the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. Up here we have Olive Jacqueline. Over here we have, can you guys see over there? Okay, yeah, right, let me see. Oh, there you go. And then over here we have the Anastasia. Then we have, yeah, we have a few Anastasia. It stops like right there. This is all Too Faced. Then we have Urban Decay right here. Got like 4 Urban Decay right here. Then we have Kat Von D right here. Yeah, then we got like BH and stuff. I'm trying, oh, and then this is Morphe. This is Ofra, Morphe. Right here we have all of the Juvia's Place. We have some of the ColourPop right here. So, oh, and all my Fenty right here. And like the little palettes, you know. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. So if you guys are really good at organizing, let me see. Oh, stupid. So if you guys are really good at organizing and how to like do like, you know, like cool, make it look like really nice, help me down below. Help me. There's still some palettes that I have to include in here that I got in PR, so I still have to rearrange it a little bit more. Here though, I do think I did a really good job with the Too Faced, like, you know, how it goes all together. But I know it could be better. I know it can. So let me know down below any suggestions, or like send me pictures, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, any of that stuff. Let me know, please. So I can make it better, make it nicer. I don't want to display my plastic containers, my plastic palettes, just because like it won't look that appealing, you know, because it's plastic. So instead of plastic, companies should really invest in like cardboard and stuff. So I'm just gonna have it displayed back here. But yeah, I like the way this looks so far. I'm like really excited about it, really grateful, and I can't wait to hear your guys' thoughts, what you guys think I should do different, and how to like make it look a little bit more nicer, you know. The drawers are not as packed as they used to be. It's going down a lot. I was talking to you guys last night, and a lot of you guys were like, oh, I wish I was there to organize with you. I wish you were here too, because I'm just trying to do it right. I'm just trying to do it right, trying to do it nice, so that it's nice to like come in here and record and I feel good, and so that you guys, you know, are like, oh, when you guys are watching, you know. So yeah, let me know down below. I love you guys so much. Te quiero mucho, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know down below. Help me, and make sure to enter the giveaway. Okay, make sure to enter the giveaway, and I'm gonna put this stuff away, and I'll see you guys in the next one.